How to use pay links to accept payments in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use pay links to accept payments in Wix Studio website. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account. After that, you can choose the website. I'm going to choose this one. And then you will be in that website dashboard. So as you can see on the left screen there is sidebar, and in the sidebar you will see getting paid. You can just click on it, and then you can see there is pay links here. You can click on it also, and then you can go ahead to the create link here. You can click on it, and then you can choose what type of pay link do you want to create. So you can choose either catalog item, so sell an item directly from your site's catalog, or you can also choose custom amount, so you can request a custom amount for any purpose. So maybe you want to try this one, you can click on it, and then you can just click next. And then as you can see, you have to upgrade to a premium plan to use this filing. So in this video, I'm gonna, show you for example. So you can choose the name, link name, maybe uh, service fee, something like that, and then the price maybe 100, 1000, or 100, and the tax if there is a tag, I'm gonna choose services. Also, you can add the description here and also the item image if you want to add it. And if you open the settings, you can also set an expiration date or limit the number of payments and also mark as shippable orders. And then this will be the preview of the page. So basically, after you create pay link and you can have the link for the payment, and then you can share to your customers and they will be redirected to payment page. So it's gonna be very easy. You can just click create pay link, and then yeah, you can just share it, but you have to upgrade it to get paid online. And before that, you have to make sure you already accept payments. You have connected the payment method, so you can go to connect and set up, and then you can connect payment methods here. Then you can connect the credit card or debit card, or you can also choose manual payments, and you can also go to settings here. And in the settings, you will see the accept payments tab. You can click on it, and then it's same as before. You can connect your payment methods, and then you can start receive payments. So I think that's it, how to use pay links to accept payments in Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.